I'm the former governor of Massachusetts, a Republican running against Mr. Trump in the Republican primaries for President of the United States. I'm Bill Weld, and here's looking at you. Let's sip and skim. So my strategy is to enlarge the electorate that will vote in the Republican primaries. And those can be independents, they can be Democrats. In 20 states, crossover voting by Democrats and independents is expressly allowed. There are 300 million rifles out there in private hands, legally acquired. That's a bulwark against government oppression. And I think if you look at history, when countries have made it impossible to have private ownership of weapons, Nazi Germany, Jews couldn't own weapons, is that when people are denied the right to legally own a firearm, they get slaughtered. I think that price is too high. I would be in favor of sufficient red flags laws to keep firearms out of the hands of people who may have mental issues. I'm very happy with Roe v. Wade. I don't think a decision about a woman's body should be made by a bunch of big, white, self-satisfied legislators 1,000 miles away. It's just a non-starter for me. I think we should rejoin the Paris Climate Accords. To walk away from that is one of many irresponsible things that Mr. Trump has done in the international area. I'm for solar and wind. We should maximize them as a percentage of the base in the grid. I think we should also go to nuclear. That's one place where I depart from the Green New Deal. There's a provision in federal law now that student loan debt cannot be renegotiated. It's the only kind of debt. It's like Congress might as well have said, we hate students. And that one should be repealed and repealed retroactively. But I would make 2 years of community college free for people who lose their jobs because of artificial intelligence and robotics and drones and all the technical changes that are coming. I think we need more work visas, not less. We need to be a little tougher about making sure people don't overstay their visas, but that's where those 11 million quote, illegal immigrants come from. It's people who have overstayed their visas. It's not people who snuck across the border on their belly with a knife between their teeth 30 days ago looking to commit mayhem in the United States. I plan to do the following: be an economic conservative, address the coming job loss as a result of artificial intelligence and similar technical trends, emphasize job creation, emphasize education, and I would emphasize environmental protection as well. I'm not sure that the pro-Trump people would like the last point, but the other points are okay with them.